Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we are showing you how to unclog a drain without using any of those chemicals or any sort of fancy tools. We're simply using a standard drill bit to open up the drain, and then we've got a long stick with a little hook on the edge. We didn't buy any fancy tools or anything specific. We're just getting in there and getting out this guck. This was a particularly gross one. We just moved into this property, so be aware that that's someone else's grime. We wanted to get it out of there and get it all cleaned up. So running a little water, doing a final scrub to make sure that it is all nice and clean before we go ahead and put that plate back on. It really is this simple. You just got to get the gloves on and get it done. Please hit that subscribe button and check out our channel for other how-to videos for all things around your home. We'll see you in the next video.